Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to create a Shopify store completely free using a Shopify partner account. So let's get started. First, go to partners.shopify.com and click enter. I have added this link in the description. And next, click become a partner. They will ask some basic information like your email address, your name, and a bit about what type of partner you are. You can just select something like developer or freelancer what you are fit. I have already a partner account, that's why I skipped it. But you will need to fill in your business details, click continue, and just like that. Now you have a Shopify partner account. This is completely free forever. Now here is the best part. Inside your Shopify partner dashboard, click on store on the left side. Select developer or client transfer. I just select client transfer and click create store. Choose developer or client transfer. This lets you build a full working Shopify store for free with no time limit until you are ready to launch. I just click client transfer. Now give your store name, pick the store purpose like test a business idea. Then choose your country. I just choose United States. Then click create store. It's processing, sometime wait for finish this. Now click here. I just skipped it. And now you have got your Shopify store dashboard. It's totally free. If this help you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you.